Hello friends, welcome back to Aunty Dann's kitchen. Today Aunty will be cooking seafood vermicelli. This is vermicelli. I already soaked in hot water to make it soft. And these are the seafood. This one is mussel, fishball, squid, and prawns. And besides that, the ingredients, these are carrot, I already shred. And this one cabbage, shiitake mushroom, spring onion, and of course garlic for me to stir fry it later on. So stay tuned guys. Alright friends, come let's join Aunty do cooking. The oil is hot, so I put in the garlic. As usual, I like to add salt to enhance the aroma of the condiments. Alright, all the seafood in, the prawns, squid, fishball, and mussel. Black pepper, okay, oyster sauce, about 2 tablespoons. Okay, the vermicelli in. Okay. The shiitake mushroom, okay, camel light sauce, okay. I don't put any dark sauce because I want the color to remain natural like this. I like to add a bit of water so that everything are well cooked. Okay, carrot, and then carrot, sorry, cabbage, not carrot. Ajinomoto, some more of the black pepper. Alright, finally the spring onion. And a little bit of sesame oil. Okay. Woo, nice smell. Wow, marvelous. And it's done. See? Very fast, very simple. To those moms who are working mothers, do this recipe at home. When you reach home from work, you can just cook it like this. Very simple and yet nutritious meal. Okay? Okay. Alright friends, this is the ending of Auntie's cooking just now. Seafood, rice noodles, or vermicelli. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe, like, comment, and share. Bye-bye. See you in the next video. May God bless all.